What's up, you guys? Hope everybody's doing good. A lot of people is having issues with the new ICCID. I'm doing another video to show that is working on iOS 12.4. But the way to do it, if you put in an Rsim 12 or higher using iOS 12.4, it is not gonna work. The menu will not pop up. So the best way to do it is to use an older iPhone. Not necessarily older, but the iOS needs to be lower, at least 12.1 or lower. Let me show you real quick. About, as you can see, mine is on 12.1 right there, 12.1. So I already have the Rsim in here. My phone is already unlocked, it's factory unlocked, so I'm just using this phone to set up the Rsim, and then we're gonna take it and switch it to the phone that we need to unlock. Okay, alright. So as usual, we're gonna dial for the menu. Oops. 672. Alright. And we have to edit. Okay, do. Send, accept. Now we have to eject SIM tray. See, there's the Rsim right there. Put this one aside. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have an at&t SIM card. Then I'm going to put it into a T-Mobile iPhone X. To show you that the phone is locked. And then we're gonna put an Rsim 12. The iPhone X is on 12.4. There we go. SIM not supported. Where's the SIM ejector? Here. See, there are no Rsim right here. We got the Rsim. So I got crickets right there. Of course, we're gonna put it by itself first. We'll put in the Cricket SIM card with no Rsim. Of course, it would say SIM not supported. Obviously. Okay, now let's put it in with the Rsim. voila. And it's working. Let's test out the internet. Okay, turn off Wi-Fi. As you can see, cricket. To Walmart near me. Let's call this in.
Thank you for calling your local Walmart. We appreciate your business and look forward to the opportunity.
Alright, hope that helped you. Hopefully the ICCID is still working. If not, I'm going to try to keep it updated with a new one. Thanks for watching and have a good one.